Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, in previous class, we learnt a lesson, People Who Help Us. And today, we will be doing the exercise based on it. Children, I request you all to open page number 23 from your EVS textbook. So, let us start with the exercise now. A. Fill in the blanks. So here you all have to fill the correct answer in the given blanks. Now let me read the first one. A dash grows food for us. Yes, children, who grows food for us? Either it is a milkman, or it is a postman, or it is a farmer. A farmer grows a food for us. So children, here in the blank, I will fill farmer. F-A-R M-E-R, farmer. A farmer grows food for us. Now let me read the second one. A dash mends our shoes. Who mends our shoes, children? Yes, you all have to give the answer. Correct. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. Now let me read the next one. A dash cleans the street. Yes, children, who cleans the street? So the right answer is sweeper. So here you will have to write S-W-E-E-P-E-R, sweeper. So here is the spelling, children. If you don't understand the spelling, here there is a spelling of sweeper, you all can see. So following this, you all can write over here. Now let me read the fourth one. That is, a carpenter makes dash. Yes. So children, what is made by carpenter? Furniture, you all can see here. So the furniture is made by carpenter. So here a carpenter makes furniture. So you all can write it over here. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. So like this way you all can write it. Now let me come to the fifth one. A dash protects the country. Who protects the country, children? Soldier. Let me write here. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Soldier. A soldier protects the country. Now let me go to the B, that is true or false. Everyone does the same kind of job. Is it true, children? Everyone does the same kind of job? No. So it is false. Here I'll write F. A farmer stitches our clothes. Is it, children? Who stitches your clothes? A tailor. So here they have given wrong. That is farmer. So it is false. Now I will be turning the page. Third one. A watchman cleans the street. Is it, children? No. Who cleans the street? Sweeper. So this is also false over here. So in the box I am writing F. A shopkeeper sells us the things we need. Correct, children, is it? Who sells the things which you need? The shopkeeper. So it is true. Now let me come to the fifth. Only some jobs are important. Is it, children? All the jobs are important. All jobs are very important. So the given statement is wrong. So I will write here F. Now come to the third one, that is C, match the following. So here they have given a people who help us and their professions, what they does. So here you all have to match it to the proper one. Now a farmer, plumber, carpenter, soldier, and we should respect. So these are there at the A side. Now let me read the B side. Protect our country. Everyone for the work they do. Grows crops. Mends leaking pipes. Make furniture. So a farmer, what does the farmer does? Grows crops. So like this way you all can match it with the line, or else here you all can give the number. A plumber, what does plumber do, children? He mends leaking pipes. So here I am matching with it. Even I am putting a number over there. A carpenter makes furniture. So like this way you all can match it. A soldier protects our country. We should respect everyone for the work they do. So like this way you all can match it to the proper number. Now they have given fifth one, that is D, answer the following questions. So children, why do we need help from others? So you all have to answer this question. These all questions you have to write it in your fair book. So I will be sending the picture of answers. Please go through it and write the answers. Thank you, children.